Upstairs laundry is a dream in a house like this. It's here, it's close to the bedrooms, 3 good-sized bedrooms up here. So get the laundry started, get it done. It's so much easier. Look how cute these rooms are too. So in here has a good-sized closet, painted so cute. Their daughter lives here right now and she has the cutest little room, is so proud of it. So this is gonna be great for any family to have lots of space for their kids to enjoy a good-sized room. Here we are inside of the primary suite. As you can see, room for a king-size bed, lots of room for dressers. Behind me, you have the hallway going to double closets and the 4-piece ensuite, which means you have a really nice soaker tub. So if you wanna come here, get away from the family, relax a bit, have a bath, read a book, light a candle, this is also your space away from everyone. This is the perfect home for any family who has kids running around, busy lives, but you want to also take some time for yourself. This room gives you exactly that.